Today I'm going to show you how to wire an outlet plus light switch. First, I can show you how it works. You could pause it if needed. First, there's 3 screws. This one is the positive, right here, and this one, negative, and this bottom one is the ground.
So you're hot, neutral, and ground.
And then it goes through all these wires, all the way to here. These two get connected, so there can be enough electricity going to the light bulb. And this.
Which ones get connected?
These.
What color?
White ones. All get connected. All these 3 get connected to this one wire. Okay.
Okay.
And it connects to this, and one of them is supposed to connect to here. Then moving on, it goes up to here, and right here is the ground. Here's the positive that goes to this light bulb. Then here goes the negative that comes out of the light bulb. And this controls the switch. And this one controls the switch. This gets controlled like this.
Very cool. Now, what tools do you use?
First, you need to strip all the wires, which gets this wire strip.
Okay.
And you need this blade.
And who's the only one that uses that?
Professionals or your dad. Or your mom.
Yep.
And this is a metal cutter which you use to bend the wires like a hook so it can connect to any light switch or any fixture. Oh, and then you'll need some electrical tape to connect some wires if they start stripping. And these are wire connectors that can connect your wires. Here's a Phillips screwdriver that you'll need to screw in anything. Sorry about the raining.
All right, and that's it.
Bye.